This video is to show you how to make a double line graph in Excel. The version of Excel that I have is 2013, and it will function very similar to many of the earlier versions of Excel. What I've done is I've entered the data table from the lesson into Excel. So right here in the first column is my time. In the second column, because in our data table in the lesson, the hare came first, I just entered some random numbers associated with the hare. So these are not, I'm not saying these are the correct answers, I'm just saying I entered some random numbers. So I'm going to enter the hare's times and then, or distances, and then I'm going to enter the tortoise's distances. So basically time, distance of the hare, distance of the tortoise. Then what I do is I highlight all of the cells. Now notice that I've got two empty cells, and that's okay. You can leave those two cells empty to be able to do this. And then I'm going to insert, and I'm going to insert a scatter plot. And the scatter plot I want to enter is, I want the double line, which is the very last choice. So now I've graphed my distances and my times, and so I need to come in and finish my graph. So if I click on chart title, I'm able to label this. Oops, I spelled tortoise wrong though. Go back and spell tortoise right. So I have made a title, and now I need to come back and take care of the axis. So to do that, if you click on the graph, you'll find that you're able to add the axis. And if you just click axis titles, it will allow you to complete your axis title. So this would be distance in meters. And then got to get rid of the word title. Distance in meters, and then on this one, this is going to be time in minutes. You also need to complete the legend, and to do that, notice I've clicked on the series, and to do that, I've clicked on it, and then I'm going to right-click, select data. Now all this looks like a big jumbled mess, but just pick Series 1, Edit, and Series 1 is the blue line, so you have to decide what does the blue line represent. So if you think it's the tortoise, you say tortoise. If you think it's the hare, you say hare. So you'll see how that changes. So it tells me the blue line, if I think it's the tortoise, it's the tortoise. So then I click on Series 2, do the same thing again, edit, and I'll make this one the hare. You're also told to insert a text box to label different parts of the graph. And so to do that, you would go to Insert, and you would choose Text Box. And then you would be able to enter a letter to indicate the parts of the graph that you're supposed to label. Thank you for watching this.